My name is H. Chandra. I am studying 9th class in Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Gurukulam Boys.
My name is H. Kumar. I am studying 9th class Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Gurukulam Boys, Harikera.
My name is B. Ishwar, studying 9th class Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Gurukulam Boys.
We are very happy to participate in School Innovation Marathon 2024. Our innovative idea is drone to detect crop pesticides. Our aim of the project: drone to detect crop pesticides. Problem identification. Farmers go to their every morning, check for a diseases of pesticides. Farmers go to their regular agriculture center to learn for pesticides that have infected crops. Learn about the what medicine to use. That medicine taken from the market.
Material requires drone, CC camera, SIM card, rechargeable battery. Working. This farmer send to the drones into their field early in the morning. Drones inspect the crop in fields, diseases, catch the photo information sent to the farmer and throw out artificial intelligence. In addition, farmers these drones also information sent to the farmer. SMS what about pesticides is used to prevent crop in pesticides.
Result. In this way, with the help of drones, we can identify the crop diseases and find the location, find the necessary medicine to provide artificial intelligence. Can reduce it to labor of farmers.
Opportunity.